Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another topic in the chapter aggregate demand and aggregate supply, that is planned saving and planned investment. X and saving, that is planned saving. What are the saver in economy planned or intend to save at a different level of income during the given period is called a accent or expected or intended or planned or desired saving. In other words, we can say that the saving which are planned to be made by all the household and saver at different level of income in economic during a period. In the beginning of the period, it is called planned or exempt saving. Next, exempt investment. What the investor in economic intent or plan to invest at different level of income is called and an expected intent or plan to desired investment. In other words, we can say that the investment which is planned or desired to be made by the firm or the entrepreneur at different level of income in the economic during the period in the beginning of the period is called planned or exempt investment. Means what the investor in economy intent or plan to invest is called desire or extent investment. It means all the concept like consumption, saving, investment, output can also be used in another sense. They can be used or not only as a what the people have already done, but what they have planned to do in the given year. The what the people had planned or desired are called exempt terms. Some of the exempt terms are means like exempt consumption, what the consumer economy intent or plan to consume, or exempt output, what the producer economic intent plan to produce is called exempt output. In short, the difference between exempt and export is that the former indicate before the event and the later connected with after the event. Next, export saving and export investment. Export saving, whatever the left out after the deduction consumption activation from the income of economy is called the export or actual or realized saving. In other words, the actual or realized saving in economic during the year. And export investment, the actual addition in the capital stock of economy in the terms of export or actual or realized investment during a year. Note, exempt saving and investment refer to the desired or planned level of saving investment which may not be equal. It is only when the exempt and planned saving is equal to the exempt and planned investment that is equilibrium will strike. Export saving investment are always equal as a accounting identify the national income account. Thank you.